how to separate your voice from the music in CapCut. So I'm going to show you how we can isolate the vocals in our audio track and also how to separate the background music as its own track as well. So all you need to do is go and right click on your video, and then we can press extract audio. You could then click on your audio track like this and come up to the top right hand side. You can then scroll down to where it says separate audio and click on this. And then you need to select the element that you want to separate. So we're going to select vocals. Make sure to check the box next to keep remaining audio, and then you can go and press separate. So now you can see we have two different audio tracks. One of these is our background music and the other one is our vocals. Now you can either decide to keep this background track or you can just go and delete it if you wanted to just highlight and isolate the vocals. So that's how you separate your voice from the background music in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.